Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I'm Ken Smith, and in today's video, we are going to take a look at what's inside this package from Excel Blades. We're going to do a complete review on several tools that they sent us, so let's check it out. Today's video is brought to you and sponsored by Excel Tools and Blades. Excel provided us with all the necessary tools that we needed to create this video, and make sure that you check out the special link that I have to save 15% on anything on their website, or virtually just about anything on their website. I got the link down in the description below. These guys are all made in the USA. And so thanks again, Excel Tools and Blades, for supporting us and supporting this channel. I've obviously removed some of the personal information on labels and the packing slip, obviously, but we're going to go ahead and open this package up and see exactly what is inside that they have so graciously sent to me, sponsoring this video, I might add. So again, thank you so much. I'm kind of like a kid Christmas Day. So you're seeing it live just as I am. Make sure I got that blade retracted. Now, I don't know about you, but I am always in search for that third hand. I haven't even opened up this package yet, but the base, this thing feels really heavy, which I'm really excited about. I've seen other versions of this, and they're very lightweight. Also very excited about opening this up, taking a good look inside. And obviously, tweezers. Definitely important thing to have. And you've already seen in my other videos that I've been using saws like this. And there we have it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and open this up. This is definitely heavy. I'm actually going to put it on my postal scale in a little bit, let you know exactly what it weighs. But really like the movement of this. Love the fact that we've got magnifying glasses and just some really, really nice, easy to operate and function. We have the ability to just kind of rotate all the way around, like you see there. Feels really good. And boy, I got to tell you, when things are locked into place, they're locked in really well. Very impressed there. Yeah. All right. If you can see that scale, we're at 0. Just kind of move it over there a little bit. We'll go ahead, put this unit on there. And weighs 1 pound. And I would say the bulk of it is probably coming right from there. That's pretty impressive. I'm actually quite pleased with that. Alrighty, so here we've got a really nice bird's eye view of what this is looking like. You can clearly see that this supports an HO car without a problem. and the car is weighted down like it should be. You can see the magnifying glass up over here and how enlarged the numbers look. So if you wanted to do some decal work, or you wanted to do some fine painting or anything like that, you can clearly see that this is really supporting the car very nicely. Same would go for things just like small building sides. If you wanted to, do some work on a building side or something like that, or any other fine detail work, maybe painting figures or something along those lines, where you're needing to have these support or hold onto the figures as you're painting. So I really like this. This is really weighed down very nice. Obviously, my table isn't very smooth, but you get the idea. I don't see any problems with this at all. I really, really like how this supports and holds whatever it is that I'm modeling. Let's take a look inside this 4-piece tweezer set. I like the fact that they're stored in a small pouch. Nice. Very nice. Like that. I don't know about you, but there's times where I just really like a bent tip tweezer. And this is really nice. See if we can kind of give you an idea of just how nice this really is. Okay. Yep. Really nice. Like that. Put that back on so we store it away properly. This is a straight tip, obviously. Doesn't take a lot of effort to squeeze these together, which I like. And then we have a wide tip. Very, very nice. I like that. This could really come in handy for, planting larger items, maybe like trees or fences or small buildings, outhouses, things of that nature, or tree stumps. I like the flat spoon or spade edge to this. This really, really feels nice. Yeah, it definitely feels nice. I like this a lot. This is gonna get used quite a bit, actually. I'm actually really impressed with this. So a very nice set that they have available. Now this is their Deluxe Railroad set. It is a kind of an assortment of tools and knives that you need. This is a list of everything that is included, but we're also going to open up this box and see what's inside it. Open up the box, and voila, very nice wooden box kit. Well, at first glance, I am really impressed, okay? Needle nose pliers are a must-have. And these are spring loaded needle nose pliers, which really a nice tool to have. We've got a small cutting blade, or no, this is a sander. This is their sander. Ooh, I like this. Let's just see how well this works. Yep. Very nice. Yeah, that is a very nice tool to have. Here's our knife. Protective cover. There we go. I like the feel of this. I like the fact that we're knurled up here as well as down here. So depending on your cutting applications and how you are trimming things, I really like the feel of this. Very nice knife. There's also what appears to be an assortment of blades right here. So we've got some replacement blades in here, small assortment. Looks like we also have a larger knife. Again, knurled here. This also helps with loosening, as well as, you know, just maybe you feel more comfortable getting closer to your work. Maybe you feel a little comfortable being further away. Love the feel of this. Looks like here we have a small file. Get this out of the way so I can get my big paws in there. And it looks like a small file and a medium file. This is taped down here, so I don't want to take the tape off just yet. This is a pin vise. You can't be a model builder and not have a pin vise, so I really like that. Looks like we also have your break-off blades and a small standard and Phillips screwdriver. Small hammer, which I like. This is great if you're tapping in some track nails. Pocket ruler. Scriber awl. Very nice, very nice. Alrighty. You know I love to saw. This is really, really a nice addition, this miter box. Great addition to your tool assortment. Just curious if there's anything underneath here. And just some silica gel, silica sand. There you have it, folks. Very nice set. Very pleased. It's a great little starter kit. I would encourage you to jump right on board. This is really, really a nice little set. And very pleased with it. Like the storage box that it comes in. This is going to be well loved for sure. Yeah, very nice box. All right, here's the Excel razor saw set. Now, when you flip over on the back side, there's obviously all different types of accessories that you can get, but here's what comes with it. Comes with a number 5 handle, and then you got this pull saw with 42 TPI. That stands for teeth per inch. And then another one at 46 TPI. So that's giving you even a finer cut. If you take a look at these, you can see it almost looks like you can't see the teeth. That's how fine of a cut it is. And if you're doing some kit bashing like I like doing, something like this is essential. This is a must-have, especially when you start cutting up sides of buildings like you've seen me do here. This is what's going to give you those fine cuts that you need. So definitely a tool that you want to put in your arsenal for kit bashing and scratch building. Now this came in a separate package, and I wanted to show this to you. This is an 18 by 24 inch self-healing cutting mat. And this is really a necessity in your model building. Now, what I really do like about this, these angles right here, if you're looking at doing roof lines or porch lines, and you know, maybe you're doing some angle cuts for bridges or porches, that type of thing, this can really be very, very helpful. You can see over here it's 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree here, 60 degree, 75 degree, and a 90 degree. And really a nice area that it's covering in that too. And I really like that. I also like the fact that, you know, over here we're in inches, and if we turn the mat around, it is done in centimeters. So this is really, really great depending on what area of the world you're from. It's really a handy mat. Really do like that. The other thing too is, if you notice the radiuses, you also have the equivalent degrees of radii. And so that's pretty cool too as well. Again, it's a self-healing mat. It's really a very, very heavy mat. Very thick too. Let's see if we can get up close. There you go. Really a nice, well-made mat. This is a great size. Thank you, Excel Blades, for sending this to us. Really appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful day, and y'all be blessed.